This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling ingredients and immediately pulsing the pickles with the mustard base. Combine 1 cup chopped dill pickles and 1/2 cup mustard seeds or prepared mustard into the pitcher. Pulse until coarse. Add 2 tablespoons vinegar and 1 tablespoon sugar so the flavors marry early. Do this now because quick blending preserves bright green pigments and prevents heat from cooking the mustard. Once done, scrape the sides and check texture. You want a slightly coarse paste that will. You now make a stable, green mustard by emulsifying oil into the pickle mustard paste. With the blender running on low, slowly stream in 1/4 cup neutral oil until the mixture thickens and becomes glossy. This traps the green pigments. Taste and adjust. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons vinegar or lemon juice for brightness, or 1 teaspoon sugar if it tastes sharp. Make sure to mix in herbs or an optional natural green booster if the color needs enhancing. This is where the flavor profile comes together. You finish by transferring the pickle green mustard into clean jars and chilling it to let flavors meld. Refrigerate at least 24 hours for best taste. Seal tightly and expect a 2 to 3 week refrigerated shelf life. If you see slight oil separation, simply stir. If the mustard seems thin, chill it or whisk in 1 teaspoon mustard powder to thicken. If it tastes bitter, balance with 1/2 teaspoons sugar. Make sure to label with date so you use it while it's freshest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.